Hi, in Python we have too many inbuilt modules or packages. Modules and packages are nothing but inbuilt Python programs which can be imported in your program later to make use of it. So when those programs are not installed properly, that time we get the module not found error. The another situation is when you try to access your own Python program from somewhere else or from some other directory, but which is not there in the directory, then that time we will get this module not found error. We'll see both here. Pandas is a Python inbuilt module. I am just importing pandas to read the file. I'm just trying to read some CSV files. Let me give some file name. data.csv and print. See, when I run this program, I get an error, module not found error, no module named pandas. These are all inbuilt modules. Where will I go and find those modules in my program? So for that we need to install these inbuilt modules in our PyCharm. Let's see how to install that. Pip install pandas. See, it's installing the packages required for pandas. It's done, successfully installed. Now if you run the program, you will not get this error. Let me remove this. See, it's not giving any error. Earlier we had a no module found error. Like pandas, we have so many inbuilt modules which are import talib. Now I have installed, so I'm not getting any error. Like that we have so many inbuilt packages. If you don't install those packages in your PyCharm, then you will get the no module found error. The other option you get this error is when you try to access a program which is not there in the current directory. Suppose I am trying to access a program called pack which is not there in my directory. So that time also you get the same error, no module named pack. So if I create some module on that name, module is nothing but a Python program, now I will not get that error. See, it ran successfully. This is how we solve the module not found errors. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.